Are you considering New Reach Education but unsure if it's the right choice for you? In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know before making the decision to buy. Stick around to the end to get the inside scoop and the best offer available, plus a chance to try it completely free from the first link in the description below. First things first. New Reach Education offers a comprehensive platform for online learning, but how does it stack up against competitors? It promises an all-in-one solution, combining courses, coaching, and networking. But does it deliver on those promises? Well, in my experience using it, I've found it stands out in several ways, but also has a few areas to be aware of before diving in. So let's dive into the details. The first thing you should know is the variety of courses they offer. New Reach Education is designed for those looking to improve their skills in specific industries, particularly business, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Unlike some other platforms that offer generic cookie-cutter content, New Reach focuses on actionable niche training, which is great if you're looking to specialize. That said, some of the competitors offer a broader range of industries, so if you're looking for something outside of their main focus, you may need to look elsewhere. Next thing, pricing. New Reach Education has a subscription model, which can be a great value depending on how much content you plan to use. You get access to their full library of courses, but compared to competitors like Udemy or Coursera, it might seem a little higher priced. However, if you're serious about a specific field like digital marketing or real estate, the specialized content justifies the price. But keep in mind that you won't find a paper course model like you do with others, which could be a deal breaker if you only need a few lessons here and there. The third thing to consider is their coaching program. One of the unique selling points of New Reach Education is their emphasis on one-on-one coaching. You won't find this level of personalized attention with some of the bigger platforms, and if you're someone who thrives on direct feedback, this could be a game changer. However, it's worth noting that the quality of coaching can vary depending on who you get matched with. This isn't always an issue with competitors, who offer consistent quality but lack the personalized touch. The fourth thing, community. New Reach Education has a thriving community of learners, and this is something that sets it apart from other platforms. You can engage with others in forums and group chats, which is perfect for networking and collaboration. That said, some of the bigger platforms have even more established communities, so if that's a priority for you, it's something to weigh. But overall, the support and engagement you get from New Reach's community is solid. Next thing, let's talk about their user interface and experience. The platform is pretty intuitive and easy to navigate, which is a big plus. Unlike some competitors that can feel cluttered or overwhelming, New Reach Education has a clean, modern interface that's accessible for users at any level. However, depending on your device or internet speed, the platform can sometimes feel a little sluggish. Something to keep in mind if you're working in a fast-paced environment. The sixth thing, their resources and updates. New Reach Education frequently updates their course content to reflect the latest industry trends, which is crucial in a fast-changing field like digital marketing. Compared to other platforms that can feel outdated after a while, this is a huge benefit. But, like with any online course provider, there can be gaps in specific areas or industries that might leave you searching for additional resources elsewhere. Finally, before you make a decision, keep in mind that New Reach Education offers an unbeatable deal when you try it out for free through the link in the description. This is an exclusive offer that you won't find anywhere else. If you're on the fence, this is your chance to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your goals without any risk. So, if you want to dive into New Reach Education, click the first link in the description below to claim your free trial and get exclusive benefits. Trust me, this is the best deal you'll find. Take advantage of it before it's gone.